Alright, back with another project. So I love messing with boom boxes. I've done some other videos adding Bluetooth. I added a Super Nintendo to one if you haven't seen that. But what's the most inconvenient thing about using these old boom boxes? The batteries. Now, this one, for example, takes 8D batteries, and that's like $15 only to last, a day. So let's look at the back and see what voltage this runs on. Now 8D batteries in series is going to be 12 volts, and that's what it states on the back. Most of the boom boxes, somewhere on them, are going to show what voltage they run on, and it's going to be important to look at that and make sure your battery is appropriate for that voltage. And as you can see above the DC voltage, it shows that it does run on 120 volts AC. Now because we're going to just run this off that lithium ion battery pack, we're not going to use the AC input into the boombox, and for safety reasons we want to make sure that if somebody tries to plug it in that it's not going to short or go anywhere. In this case it was easy because the AC plug was actually hardwired to the transformer bridge rectifier that actually turned it into DC, and then that DC output gets fed over. It's disconnected here, but you can see where it says battery RE and BK. That's where the 8 D-cell batteries actually got fed into this. So here you can see that power supply before I took it out. Over to the left with the transformer and the rectifier, it brought over the DC power to the main board, and that's what I'm going to remove and add my own wires so that I can plug 12 volts right into that. So I'm going to feed that cord back to the battery compartment, and in that battery compartment I am going to use a little lithium ion battery pack. This has 3 18650 cells in it, so it's around 12 volts. It's rechargeable, and it probably gives me about 2 amp hours if I'm being realistic. It comes with a charger made for it, and in this case we're actually going to be able to store that little charger in the battery compartment. So we've got the battery now in there with the power switch to turn it on. That'll actually feed power right into the boombox board. I also added just a Y splitter, so it just makes it really easy to plug it in to recharge when you want to. So there you go, a short and easy project. It allows the boombox to be a lot more practical in my opinion because now it's rechargeable. You don't have to buy all those batteries. It is going to play for hours on one charge of that 12 volt battery pack, and that battery pack is about the same cost honestly as buying 8 batteries, so it just makes sense. Well, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'm going to be doing some more projects, so please subscribe, check them out, and let me know your thoughts.